Perfect education is everyone's dream. Teachers, parents, and even students themselves. Many researchers say that learning is not only about the result, but also the process. What if, as a teacher, we can actually observe the learning process performed by the student? What if we can understand the way of their thinking about the learning material, so we can observe which part of the learning process is hard to understand and which part is easier? With technology, we can achieve that. In our lab, we utilize a system called Git-Build Concept Map. It is an additional activity of the regular learning class. Students recomposing concept map by using components that is provided by the teacher. So what is concept map actually? Concept map is a kind of diagram. It consists of sentences or propositions that is extracted from the text material. Propositions then break down into nodes and links. Concept map is a way to explain ideas visually, close to mind map. In our system, the nodes and the links are called components or kit. The kit is provided by the teacher, and the student task is to reconnect them. Before providing the kit, teacher create a goal map, which is a concept map extracted from the text material. And after student reconnect the kit, it is called learner map. We then can compare learner map with the goal map to observe their level of understandings. Research says that concept map proved to be better than regular learning. Instead of only reading the text material, students are actively refining their understanding. Teacher can also give feedback about the difficult part of the material, and students will be getting the feedback to improve their understanding. This is proved by higher test score achieved by the students who are getting the KB treatment comparing to students who are not. By using KB concept mapping, we can observe their activity, their behavior, not only the final result, but also the process. How do we achieve that? We record their activity while performing the concept mapping. We can analyze the detail in their learning process. We can point out which part of the learning material is difficult for the student, which part is easier, and which part is the most interesting for them. We hope by being able to understand the student learning process, we can improve our teaching style, making it easier, more understandable, more enjoyable for the student to follow. The result is improving student achievement, making the work better.